Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. Thank you for coming. Hope you stay. If you guys are a returning subscriber, welcome back. You guys rock. I love y'all. In today's video, I have a double dip premium magic gel kit review for you guys. Oh, they did send me 2 colors instead of just 1, but if you were ordering this, you would get 1 color. You get a whole box of nails. Okay, so starting off here with our jelly tips, Coffin long, full cover, clear, 12 sizes, 300 pieces. I mean, the 0 just about fits my thumb. Y'all already know I have pretty, I'd say medium-sized thumbs. And it just about fits my thumb, so it's not that wide, I wouldn't say. And these are almost 1.5, just like everybody's. Say 95% of the time, most of them are about 1.5 centimeters wide, and that is the biggest one. It goes from 0 to 10, and that's really nice. Another thing you're gonna do is you're going to measure your tips. Okay, they have a really nice curve. They are nice and clear, so they're made of a better quality plastic, acrylic plastic, whatever you want to call it. You're going to fit from one side wall to the other. Do not press down. Make sure the cuticle area looks nice. If it doesn't, take a file and file around it until it fits yours just perfect. Also have a little light. Now I have watched a few reviews, and sadly, if you do long nails like me, you will not be able to use these little lights because it does not have an opening in the back, because it only goes in so far. So shorter nails, this would be absolutely perfect. Plug-in is right here. You just use a regular USB plug. Actually, this is a bigger one, and it's very nice and sleek. I really like it. It looks like a little egg. Got like a thumbprint button too. I like that. We have, this one is called Bluebell, and the gel polish is always in the bottle that is completely completely shaded, because you do not want any light getting to your gel polish. So that's why with the regular polish you can actually see the color. With the gel polish you can't. Now when I did my last review on these polishes, we found out that they are very, very similar in color. This is number 901 if you want to just order it. They're both 15 mLs. The blue, isn't that gorgeous? This is a regular polish. This is the duo as well. The regular polish, the gel polish. This is called 12 AM. And that is that. It's almost the same. This one is a little different. See what we get. Oh, protein bond, 15 ml. It does say the ingredients on the back. There we have it right there. Okay, you get a adhesive primer. Nice, very nice. You can use this to etch the underside of your tips. I hope that's clear for you guys. You get a press-on glue gel, another really nice product to have. And here is the ingredients. And a no-wipe top coat. And the ingredients for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foil glue. Just put a thin coat of that on your nail. You're gonna put that on, you're gonna let that dry. Once it's dry, it will be clear. After you have your nail tips sized, brush is, I don't know what happened to that thing. You're gonna take that and you're gonna etch the inside of this nail. Flash cure light ready. Grab the press-on glue gel. Nice and thick. I like the brush. It's a nice wide brush. Go from one side to the other. Okay, it could be a little thicker just from experience. I like a little bit thicker gel, but that's not gonna say it's not gonna work. Just, it's your preference, you know, what you like. Like 45-degree angle onto the nail. You're gonna go ahead and go press it down until that gel meets the free edge of your nail, and you're gonna pop it in the light and let that cure. So far, no heat spikes. And apply your gel just a little bit. Go from one side wall to the other. Flip it over. Apply it. Watch it go to your free edge. Once it gets there, cure. After I applied the nails, I went ahead, shaped, filed, and buffed them off camera. I did wipe them off with isopropyl alcohol. That is why they are white, but that is not going to hurt the nails, so do not worry about that. I did go ahead really quickly and swatch through the regular polishes. And then these are the gels. And as you can see, there's really not a big difference. They both look really pretty. So this is the look we're doing today. Super easy, super fun, and cute. I go in with that press-on glue gel. Yes, you can use this as a base coat. So go ahead and apply a thin coat of that on the nail from cuticle to free edge. After you have applied your base, go ahead and do a 30-second cure. That's cured, go ahead and take your Bluebell, number 901. Go ahead and put a thin coat of that on the nail. Remember, you always want to put on gel in thin, even layers. If you do put it on too thick, it tends to bubble and crease. And I have had that happen plenty of times. So a nice thin coat, and if you need to, you can always go back and go in with another one after the first layer's been cured. I will say that these are going on really nice and smooth. Almost like butter. It's a gorgeous color. I love it. I love the blue. I'm going to go ahead and do a full cure, 60 seconds. Here comes the fun part, you guys. Go ahead and get you an ombre brush. I'm going to use my Enail Couture ombre brush. This comes in a pack of like 10 brushes. They are all amazing. I highly recommend them. You're going to take your color number 1307. This is called 12 AM. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it. I'm going to wipe my brush real good. I'm going to go at the tip of this nail and just pull it down. Like so. And then you're going to do that on all your nails. This was tricky when I was doing it on my other hand. Oh my heavens. Lord help me. All right, so now what you're going to do is take your ombre brush. Make sure you have a lint-free wipe like this. And then you're just going to pull that up. Kind of like you're patting. Pat and pull. Pat and pull. Clean off the brush. Start where it ends. Right here. And then you're going to pat and pull. If you have any more lines, just take a clean brush again and just pat. And ta-da! Pat and pull. Just very slowly. Pat and pull. Just like that. Clean the brush. Always make sure to clean your brush. And then start right there where you finished and do the same thing. Go ahead and do a full 60-second cure, and then we can apply the gems. It's time to apply your gems. I have this little bow from Shein. And then I have a bunch of these gold rhinestones. So I'm going to grab my DIY gel. I'm just going to grab this because it's right here, and I'm going to use it as a rhinestone gel. And I'm just going to set it right here by the cuticle area. Bellavena No Wipe Top Coat. And I don't have anything on the thumb, so I'm going to go ahead and top coat that. And then with this, I'm just going to go right over the top of that rhinestone gel and pull it down onto my nail. Just go right on the top of it. Cap your free edge. Clean up any that you've spilled. Grab that little bow. Place your bow. Go ahead and give it a freeze cure so it stays in place while you're working on the rest. Just using the top coat for these gems, but if you guys worry about that, I'm just going to be popping these off. I would definitely go in with a rhinestone gel, because if you want the rhinestones to stay, you're going to need a rhinestone gel. All right, so for this finger, I think I'm going to go in with like a little triangle, whatever. And we're just going to put that right there in the center. Put the heart there, and it is upside down. Son of a bitch. Put the heart at the top by the cuticle, and with a round rhinestone. I guess you call them horse eyes. 2 little rhinestones at the bottom. Top coat. A little rectangle, and we're going to put that right there. All right, now you're going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. I'm going to take my Enail Couture Cotton Candy Cuticle Oil, and this is very important. You always want to hydrate your cuticles. So here is the kit once again, on a scale from 5 to 0, 5 being the best. I like to let you guys know my thoughts and opinions on a kit if I do a review on it. So for this kit, I am actually going to go ahead. I like how they turned out. I like the length, even though they are a little short for me. I would definitely wear these. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. And ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to go ahead and give this 4 Babygirl nails. Only because I couldn't use this light with longer nails. So hopefully in the future they can maybe cut out the back part so that you can put your whole nail in. I really enjoyed everything that I used. I love the gel polish. I liked the protein bond and primer. That's definitely a bonus. The press-on glue works great as a 3-in-1. You can use it as a base gel. You can use it to apply the nails, and you can use it as a rhinestone gel, which I didn't even think about that. The no wipe top coat looks absolutely gorgeous. Shines like nobody's business. I think that's pretty good. That's almost right there at 5 stars. So thank you to Bellavena Double Dip for sending this kit to me for review. You guys will find my Double Dip code down in the description box if you are interested in this kit. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it if you'd like. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Sending you lots of love and light. God bless. Bye, guys.